Hi, this is Glenn on the floor at the 2012 ESRIUC conference. Stopped by the Geospatial experts booth here, and we're going to have a look at the GeoJot mobile applications. I'm here with John Clark, and John's going to give us a look at the latest.
Hi, Glenn. Why don't I start out with showing you the application GeoJot, and we're looking at it on the iPad, and what we're looking at is GeoJot home screen here. We have three areas: a manage lists area, a camera area, and a settings area. I'm going to go into the manage lists area. These lists are what you use to attribute or annotate a photo that you take. So for instance, if we are taking pictures of graffiti, we choose the graffiti list, and now we have a bunch of data points we can use to give more information about the photo we just took. For instance, maybe we'll want to know what kind of removal method we need to do. Paint cover-up, chemical removal, grind and scrape. I choose which one best describes what we want to do with that piece of graffiti, and I add that as a data point for the photo I just took. If we're also using this as maybe a method to understand the perpetrator of the graffiti, I can potentially just add a point there and choose the suspect of the graffiti. I can add up to 24 different information points, many of them just choosing from a drop-down list. If I need to, or if I want to, I can simply bring up one of the points and start typing, so I don't need to necessarily pick from a drop-down list. So once we have attributed a piece of a photograph, then we'll go back and save it to the photo. And we have some saved already, so I'm going to go to the camera roll. And it looks like a lot of the ones we've saved have to do with pictures we've taken actually at the show. So let me see, let's pull one up at random here. Here is a photo with the attribute points that we've collected. We can see that on a map. In this case, we're getting a little bit of a GPS within the show floor here, so we're seeing the convention center and the position of the photo with the attributes. So once we have the photo attributed, then we actually import it into GPS PhotoLink. This is another example where we imported an inventory of street signs. Once imported, then we use our system to show the sign, show the attributes. For instance, this is street sign. What kind of street sign? It's a street lane sign. Show where it is on the map, and we can QC, quality control any of this information, change this information, edit this information to get it ready for our end user system. Same with editing the photo. So if we want to, for instance, crop the photo, because this is what we're really only interested in, I can do that. Now that will be part of the end user output. We can watermark the photo using our fifth step in our wizard by choosing what attributes. So I've clicked barcode, sign, type, material. These are watermarked on the photo. I just change the color there because it's all under user control. Or should I choose, I can move the watermarks to the outside of the photo. So now they're outside the photo. I can choose which row and which column I want them in. Lastly, what we're going to do is choose the type of output. So we have many kind of report templates here in the report files, or we have output for any kind of data file all the spatial databases like ESRIUC, ArcGIS, so we have shapefiles and geodatabases. We have user control over all of them. The geodatabase we can do even embed the photos in blob type databases. Just to show that, here's a geodatabase, or here's an ArcMap with the signs already put in as a shapefile. So now we've taken the output from GPS photo link. We see the sign of, in this case, ducks walking, with some attribute information like the barcode, the latitude, longitude. And all we need to do with on ArcMap is hover over the icon to see the photo plus the attributes we've collected.
Great.
So I think that's kind of an overview from collecting the information, the photo, and the attributes to how we might display it using ArcMap.
Great. Okay, thanks very much for that. And I see you've also got a Android version.
Right.
Right, so that's available in Google Play now.
Yeah, we showed you the iPad.